Hey, it's David Baer, and in this video, I'm going to be sharing details about the GrooveFunnels affiliate program. So as I have been showing how I'm building sites and landing pages and funnels inside of GroovePages, one of the elements inside GrooveFunnels, I've been getting questions about how their affiliate program works and if it's a sales opportunity for affiliates out there in my network. So I wanted to shoot this video to explain what the platform is and how you can include it in your affiliate promotions. So quickly, GrooveFunnels is a suite of lots of different things. Comes from John Cornetta and Mike Filsame and a team of other folks who are highly experienced marketers, very well known in the online marketing space. But initially what they are offering is a page builder slash funnel builder slash website builder. So it's not simply a funnel builder like ClickFunnels or a opt-in page builder like Lead Pages. You can actually build full websites using this tool. In addition, they have a shopping cart and affiliate management tool. Together, they are giving these items away for free as kind of a front-end offer, and then offering the ability to upgrade into their paid services, which is a whole suite of lots of other things. Now, some of them have already been debuted and others are yet to come, including email marketing, webinar marketing platform. Mike Filsame is actually one of the co-creators of Webinar Jam, membership sites, blog capabilities, calendars, so sort of a rival to Calendly or other booking software, Helpdesk software, and there's a bunch of other things that I think they're adding as well along the lines of videos, etc. But it's a huge amount of software that basically anybody can run their entire business off of, and to have a competitive advantage, they are using the opportunity to give away some of their currently available software in the hopes of upgrading people to the entire suite. So, how does the affiliate program work? Well, first thing you need to know is that unlike many affiliate programs out there, they are using what's known as a lifetime database referral system. So instead of what most people have is a cookie that holds for a period of time, let's say somebody clicks and your link is valid for 30 days, and then if somebody clicks somebody else's link and then buys through that, you don't get the benefit. However, here, your click, if you were the first click, you own that lead for life. So if they click now and sign up for the free thing and then they upgrade in 2 years, you get paid for that upgrade. So the sooner an affiliate starts promoting and the sooner an affiliate gets lots of leads into the system, getting the free offer, the more opportunity you have to benefit from those upgraded sales that happen in the future. Number two, they're offering a 2-tier commission. That means that not only do you get to benefit from your direct sales, but you also benefit if you promote this to somebody who also decides to become an affiliate. And you actually get automatically put into the affiliate program as soon as you sign up for the free account. Number three, there are 2 commission levels, and I'm going to break those down for you now. The first commission level is when you decide to just get the free products. You can earn 20% on every single buyer who upgrades from the free products to the paid products, and 5% on override commissions from anybody who you refer, who then decides to become an affiliate. So that's level number 1. However, if you decide to upgrade yourself and become a paid customer of GrooveFunnels, you actually increase your commission level by 100%, or you double your commission level. So then you earn 40% per buyer and 10% on overrides from other affiliates you may refer. So it's a pretty powerful system when you think about it. And given the fact that it is a monthly fee that people are paying, when you bring customers to GrooveFunnels and they upgrade, you get paid on those customers 20 or 40% month after month after month. Now, it's important to understand how easy it is to convert a lead into a free offer. Right now, they are converting something like 1 in 5 clicks are signing up for the free app. So it's a pretty easy sell. And some of those people are not going to convert ever into paid customers, but many of them will. In fact, many people upgrade to the pro option, which is the upsell after you sign up for the free stuff, immediately. And that's a pretty impressive opportunity to refer somebody to a free offer, and then they immediately upgrade to the paid offer, and you get that commission. But if they don't, the folks at Groove Digital, which is the name of the company that has created and is marketing GrooveFunnels, they're going to continue to nurture those leads over time. They have a community that is being built around these products, and it's a vibrant and passionate community, and many people may choose in the future to upgrade. And as I said earlier, you own those leads for life. And therefore, when those folks upgrade, you get paid on those sales as well. Your leads belong to you. It's a really different concept from most of the affiliate programs out there, which are based on the first click or the last click or a limited amount of time. Here, you own the lead as soon as it gets entered into their database. And that's why, as soon as you can, you want to get people clicking the link and signing up. Remember, 1 in 5 people are signing up for that free offer. So what is the next step? If you would like to be part of the affiliate program, click the link above or below this video, or go to this URL. It's baermktg.com/GrooveFunnels, and that will give you the ability to get to the page where they have the free offer, and you will automatically be signed up for the affiliate program, and you can then start referring immediately. So I hope this clears up any questions you may have had about the GrooveFunnels affiliate program. My name is David Baer from Baer on Marketing. Thanks for taking time to watch this video, and you have a super day.